469 all in. $239, again, all in the center square. $138, again, all in the center square. $239, again, all the hits in the center square. $320, all in the center square again. $576, and I shot my first one out of the center square. $239, all the hits in. $318, and one more out of the very center square. $244, all in the inner square. $932, and let's go look at all of my hits. All right, so as anything in the bottle is a hit, I obviously have 100, and over the course of the whole thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 came out of the very center square. So not too bad, considering I was about half the speed or half the time limit on all of the strings. So yeah, there's the FBI qual.